Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DELT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days have been very nice. The bulls have been building those higher bases, and as you know, after the dust has settled here, you can see that that does result in some very nice trends. So we'll first start off here talking about levels of support, then I'll map out some areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can hold up above here at $2.18. Now, if the price does drop below $2.18, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the strongest? You know, definitely staying up above, the 218 mark. Next level of support comes into play for more of an overall chart perspective. So taking a step back, looking at the big picture, and really just if you're curious, how can we look at this in a very simplified manner, is to keep an eye on that purple line there, right? Which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards like that. So if you want to picture that as a trend line, I would say that is more than logical. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself has to keep on increasing. And that by definition is what a longer-term bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So again, from a very simplistic point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full control from the big picture perspective. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the key level is where the sellers stepped in today, and that's right up there around the $2.54 mark. You can call it $2.55 if that makes it a little easier to remember. But like I said, a couple times this afternoon, bulls tried to get up through there and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number one for the remainder of the week. Obviously, the week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see what the bulls have in store. But off to a good start. So let's see how much further the bulls can build this uptrend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.